Welcome to our destination, Bigan, Ilocos Sur. Bigan is a charming and historic in the northern Philippines. The city known for its well-preserved Spanish era and is on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Visitor can explore city's cobblestone streets, admire and intricate details of ancestral homes, churches, and ride in the traditional Calesa horses-drawn carriage. Bigan is also home to a vibrant foodie scenes with local specialty such as Bigan longanisa and empanada. It will satisfy any plate.
Good day, ma'am. I am Lee Genesis Preliano, and welcome to Luna Hotel. This is a 4-star hotel. Because this is a 4-star hotel, you expect ma'am, this is quality and high rate prices. The affordable room calls standard room price is on 4,600 pesos. And the higher end quality room, which is called executive room, the price is 8,400 pesos. Including to this package is free quality breakfast, meal, Wi-Fi, parking, airport transfer, and shuttle service. Inside the hotel, we have fitness center, coffee shop, restaurant, etc. And also near in the tourist attraction in Bigan City. Good day, ma'am. I'm Lee Genesis Preliano, and welcome to Hotel Veneto de Bigan. This is 3-star hotel. Including to this hotel, we have standard room. The price is 2,400, and the higher room rate, which is executive room, and price is 6,800. Including in this package, free breakfast, meal, Wi-Fi, parking, shuttle service, and airport transfer. Inside the hotel, we have restaurant, coffee shop, etc. Good day, ma'am. I'm Lee Genesis Preliano, and welcome to Bigan Traversa Hotel. This is a 2-star hotel, the affordable and budget meal hotel. A standard room price is 1,980, and the executive room price is 2,750. Because this is affordable hotel, don't expect too much. We have free only breakfast meal, and also this hotel is near in tourist attraction in Bigan City. Good day, ma'am. I'm Lee Genesis Preliano, and welcome to Hotel Versante. This is a 2-star hotel, but this hotel is most affordable and quality service because the standard room price is 1,800 and the executive room is 3,300. Including on this package is free Wi-Fi, free breakfast meal, etc. And also pwede ang mga alaga nating pet dito. And the parking is street parking.
So, now, let's proceed into one of Bigan most talk about restaurant, Casa Jardin. Informal referent to as a CJ's is a rising star best known for its massive servings of empanada and oy. The form is a deep fried pastry stuffed with Bigan longanisa, egg Ilocano variation of crunchy shrimp omelette with frizzled paste of onions, tomatoes, and herbs. Ang address ng Casa Jardin ay V. de los Reyes Street Corner, Mabini Street, 2700, City of Bigan, Philippines. Ang aka The Hidden Garden is one of the best kept secret restaurant in Bigan City. Tucked behind bamboo walls, the destination welcomes tourists through floral archways leading them into a vast dining area surrounded by makeshift tropical forest. Its impressive ambience, Hidden Garden offers delicious food for reasonable prices. Its bestseller include bagnet, lomo-lomo, langgonisa, puwi-puwi, sinanglaw, dinengdeng, and chicken ino. Sagpuan ng Hidden Garden sa Bulala, Bigan City, Katipunan Street. Coffee break boasts several beverage, caffeinated and not, for remarkably affordable prices. Most of their espresso-based drinks are available for under 100 in additional to their drinks. Coffee Break also sells budget, friendly rice meals, snacks, and pasta. Matatagpuan ito sa 3 Casa Ferril, Salcedo Street, Corner, Crisologo Street, 2700, City of Bigan, Philippines.
Dine previously. Smoke, grill, and chill is more of local hangout spot than it is a tourist go-to. Nevertheless, this restaurant is vegan service grilled meals of cheap. Diner to order some beer which a very native pulutan tokwat magnet. Address Quirino Boulevard, Bigan City. Bigan City, which leading the back step inside and you'll discover a well-preserved structure built with a 18th century materials. The restaurant upgrade Ilocano dish by merging local flavors with other regional food. Address 1 Bonifacio, Bigan City.
Good day everyone, I'm Prince Joshua Arsales. I'm your tour guide for today. Here's are the different kinds of transportation in Bigan. The second one is the Calesa. It offers a unique and charming way to explore Bigan's historic streets, which allowing you to soak in the atmosphere of the cities. Its price range up to 150 to 250, it depends on package. The tricycle are the most common mode transportation in the city. It has a 3 wheels vehicle. The price range up to 15-40 pesos each. It depends in distance of location. The last one is the jeepney. These are the primary transportation on land, especially since buses cannot travel in smaller areas. Its price range up to 13-15 pesos minimum fare.
Good morning, Ma'am Sir. Welcome to Hotel Luna. I'm Lee Genesis Preliano, and I'm your tour guide today in Bigan, Ilocos Sur. Ma'am Sir, let's go. Let's proceed to our first destination, which is Calle Crisologo. Dito po ang mga activity na pwede ninyong gawin ay mag-explore sa Ancentral House, shop, visit cafe, or visit to Crisologo Museum. And also ride with Calesa and enjoy the place and activity, ma'am. And also, ma'am, may trivia is, alam nyo ba ang Calle Crisologo ay galing sa salitang Ilocano at ang dating pangalan nito ay Calle Crisologo is Calle de Escolta de Bigan. And now, ma'am, we proceed to our second place, which is Metropolitan Cathedral of the Convention of St. Paul. 3 minutes along the way, ma'am, sir. Kung kayo naman ay mahilig magsimba o makadiyos, ito ay magandang puntahan sa Bigan. Yung simbahan na ito ay pinakamagandang church sa Bigan kasi alam nyo ba, ma'am, sir, ang nagawa ang St. Paul noong 1800s at nagsimula ito noon pang 1574. Ganun katagal siyang ginawa. Kaya isa rin siya sa mga matatagal na dito sa Bigan. Now, we proceed to our next destination. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga activity na nakakadagdag sa experience nyo o trip nyo gumawa ng mga sikat na pinagmamalaking produkto na mga pinapasyalan nyo, dito naman sa Bigan, ang sikat na nagagawa ng paso. Pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili nyong paso. Dito, 3 minutes along the way from St. Paul. Trivia. Alam nyo ba, ma'am, sir, bago tayo sakupin ng Espanyol noong 16th century, ay nakikipagpalitan na ng kalakal ang China sa lugar ng Bigan. And now, let's proceed to our last place, which is Bigan Heritage Site. Dito pwede kayong mag-relax, maglakad-lakad, i-enjoy ang village ng Heritage Site bago pumunta sa mga sikat at masasarap na kainan dito sa Bigan, Ilocos Sur.
Pinakbet, a vegetable stew made with local vegetables such as eggplant, bitter melon, and squash, cooked in bagoong and sometimes topped with bagnet. Empanada, a savory deep-fried pastry stuffed with green papaya, vegan longaniza, and egg. The crust is made from rice flour, giving it a unique crunch. Sinanglaw, a healthy beef soup made with beef innards, liver, and bile. For a slightly bitter taste, it's popular breakfast choice for locals.